Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to IFPRI and to this 2020 panel discussion on understanding the interactions between agriculture and health. I'm Rajul Pandya-Lorch. I'm head of the 2020 Vision Initiative at IFPRI and the Chief of Staff in the Director General's office. This seminar is the second in a lead-in seminar series that we've planned for the IFPRI 2020 International Conference on leveraging agriculture for improving nutrition and health. This conference will take place in February 10 to 12 in New Delhi, and we are building up the momentum towards the conference and bringing some experts together. The conference comes at a time of renewed momentum towards achieving the MDGs, as well as renewed attention to agriculture, nutrition, and health issues in the aftermath of the world food crisis. The conference will build on this renewed attention, and it will encourage some rethinking of agriculture, nutrition, and health and the linkages among them, and rethinking outside of the box. Some of the questions that will be raised at this conference will be: what past agricultural programs and policies have done the most to improve nutrition and health? Does agricultural growth necessarily lead to better nutrition and health? How can the potential of agriculture be unleashed to reduce malnutrition and ill health? And how do we strengthen the synergies between agriculture, nutrition, and health so that we are contributing to improving people's well-being? As a lead-up to the conference, we are convening different experts from different groups to help us to understand the interactions and the opportunities and the synergies between agriculture, nutrition, and health. Effectively integrating the health sector in cross-sectoral work is a big challenge which needs to be overcome. Today's seminar is particularly important because it will set the stage for the discussion on the synergies between agriculture and health and how to successfully exploit them. These are two communities that don't necessarily easily talk with each other, but that have very significant interactions between them. We are very, very happy to have Per Pinstrup-Andersen and Robert Boss here to present this seminar and to have a discussion with you. Per, welcome back to IFPRI. And Robert, a warm welcome back to IFPRI to you as well. But Per, as many of you know, is the H.E. Babcock Professor of Food, Nutrition and Public Policy, and the Thomas J. Thomas Clark Professor of Entrepreneurship, and the Professor of Applied Economics at Cornell University, as well as a Professor of Agricultural Economics at Copenhagen University. Per keeps very busy. But Per has served in many positions within and outside of the CGIAR, including that of the Director General of IFPRI. So it truly is a welcome back. Robert Boss is the coordinator of water, sanitation, hygiene, and health at the World Health Organization, where he leads efforts in normative water quality work and in monitoring access to drinking water and sanitation. Robert has worked for WHO in the area of public health for nearly 30 years. Both Per and Robert are members of the advisory committee that is guiding the preparations for the conference in Delhi in February, so it is an even greater privilege to have two of you here to kick off these discussions on the health and agriculture interactions. Per will focus his remarks on the interactions between food systems and human health, and he'll discuss the challenges of intersectoral collaboration. Robert will talk about the policy and program changes that are needed to move from the framework to action for agriculture, nutrition, and health. Per will speak first and then Robert, and they've both kindly agreed to talk for about 20 minutes each, so that allows time for a lively discussion. Besides the participants in this room, we have a number of participants also joining us through live streaming, GoToMeeting, and other online means. So we have a full house here, and many of you outside of Washington joining us through virtual means. So a warm welcome to all of you, and I now turn over to you, Per. Thank you.